Hare Krishna, everyone.
हरे कृष्णा माता जी।
Hare Krishna, beta.
हरे कृष्णा माता जी।
माता जी। Hare Krishna, beta. Okay, so those kids who want to recite and haven't recited yet, please raise your hand. Hey, Radhika.
हरे कृष्णा माता जी।
Hare Krishna, Radhika. What a surprise. So you will recite, beta, 15 chapter.
Full 15 chapter माता जी।
Till 12th verse, beta.
Till 10 or
So 1
12?
second. I'll just give you one second, na, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
You can unmute yourself, Radhika.
Yes, माता जी।
So you have to recite, beta, up till 12th verse.
Okay, माता जी।
Please start, beta.
श्री पंचदशोऽध्यायः पुरुषोत्तम प्राप्ति योगः। श्री भगवानुवाच ऊर्ध्वमूलमदशाखम् अश्वत्थं प्राहुरव्ययं छन्दांसि यस्य पर्णानि यस्तं वेद स वेदवित् अधश्चोर्ध्वं प्रशितास्तस्य गुणप्रवृत्तविषयप्रवाला अधश्च मूलान्यनुसन्ततानि कर्मानुबन्धिनि मनुष्यलोके न रूपमस्येह ततोपलभ्यते नान्तो न चादिर्न च सम्प्रतिष्ठा अश्वत्थमेन सुविरूढमूलम् असङ्गशस्त्रेण दृढेन चित्वा न रूपमस्येह ततोपलभ्यते नान्तो न चादिर्न च सम्प्रतिष्ठा अश्वत्थमेन सुविरूढमूलम् असङ्गशस्त्रेण दृढेन चित्वा ततः पदं तत्परिमार्गितव्यं यस्मिन् गता वर्तन्ति भूय तमेव चाद्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये। सॉरी माताजी। ततः पदं परिमार्गितव्यं यस्मिन् गता न निवर्तन्ति भूय तमेव चाद्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये। यतः प्रवृत्ति प्रशिता पुराणी निर्माणमोहाजितसङ्गदोषा अध्यात्मनित्या विनिवृत्तकामा द्वन्द्वैर्विमुक्ता सुखदुःखसञ्ज्ञैर्गच्छन्त्यमूढा मूढापदमव्ययं तत् न तद्भासयते सूर्यो न शशाङ्को न पावकः यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम ममैवांशो जीवलोके जीवभूत सनातनः मनःशस्त्राणीन्द्रियाणि प्रकृतिस्थानि कर्षति शरीरं यदवाप्नोति यच्चाप्युत्क्रामतीश्वर गृहीत्वैतानि संयाति वायुर्गन्धानि वाशयात् स्तोत्रं चक्षुस्पर्शनं च रसनं घ्राणमेव च मनश्चायं विषयानुपसेवते उत्क्रामन्तं स्थितं वापि पुञ्जानं गुणान्वितं विमूढानानुपश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषा यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं पश्यन्त्यात्मन्यवस्थितं यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानं नैनं पश्यन्त्यचेतसः यदादित्यगतं तेजो जगद्भासयतेऽखिलं यच्चन्द्रांसि यच्चाग्निः तेजो विधिमामकम्। थैंक यू माता जी।
Wonderful, Radhika. Keep it up, beta. Virat, please start, beta.
Ma'am, Mati,
Yes, beta.
I have to tell the Hindi translation.
Okay, see.
4 texts. Yeah, ma'am, I'm studying. Text number 6. Yeah. मेरा परिणाम ना तो सूर्य या चंद्र के द्वारा प्रकाशित होता है या ना तो अग्नि या बिजली से। जो लोग वहां पहुंच जाते हैं वे इस भौतिक जगत में फिर से लौट कर नहीं आते। टेक्स्ट नंबर 7। इस संसार में सॉरी मैम, इस जगत में सारे जीव मेरे शाश्वत अंश है। बद्ध जीवन के कारण वे 6 इंद्रियों से घोर संघर्ष कर रहे हैं।
Okay, beta. Navya, you start.
Yes, ma'am. You have told me that what you have understand from ninth verse in your own words. In English. In English.
Please start, Navya. Navya, unmute.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss, I am starting. I have learned that the whole living entity has taken another gross of the body, obtain certain types of ears, eyes, tongues, nose, and the senses of touch, which we grouped about the mind. He thus enjoys a particular set of sense objects. Thank you, miss.
Beta, which source, which verse have you said this? Yes, Navya, unmute.
Ma'am, from ninth verse, English translation in my own words.
बेटा इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन इन योर ओन वर्ड्स आप पहले अंडरस्टैंड करो आप हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हो इसमें अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपका समझ में नहीं आया आपने क्या कहा बेटा आप पहले कुछ समझो ये रेक्टिफिकेशन का काम नहीं है आप समझिए और समझकर फिर आप रिसाइट कीजिए बेटा ठीक है आप हिंदी में बोलो कोई तकलीफ नहीं है देयर इज नो वरीज यस अनिष्का बेटा प्लीज स्टार्ट
Yes, Mataji.
Mahi, relax. Don't be so impatient. We should give chance to others also or not, Mahi?
Shri Bhagavanuvacha Urdhvamulam Adhashakham Ashwatham Prahur Avyayam Chandramshi Yasya Parnani Yastam Veda Saveda Ved Adhashakurdhvam Prashartastasya शाखा गुना प्रवृद्ध विषय प्रवल्ला अधाश्च मूलानि अनुसन्ततानि कर्मानुबन्धिनि मनुष्य लोके न रूपमस्येह तत्पलभ्यते नन्तो न चार्येण च सम्प्रतिष्ठा अश्वत्थमेनं सुविरुधमूलम् असङ्गशस्त्रेण दृढेन चित्वा तथा पदं तत्परिमर्गितव्यम् यस्मिन् गता न निवर्तन्ति भूयः तमेव चार्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये यथा प्रवृत्ति प्रसृता पुराणी निर्माणमोहजितसङ्गदोष अध्यात्मनित्य विनिवृत्तकामा द्वन्द्वैर्विमुक्त सुखदुःखसंनिर्गच्छन्ति मूढा पदमव्ययं तत् न तद्वसायते सूर्यो न शशाङ्को न पवक यद्गर्भ न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परं मम ममेवांशो जीवलोके जीवभूत सनातना मनाशस्थानि इन्द्रियाणि प्रकृति स्थानि कर्षति शरीरं यदवाप्नोति यच्छापि उत्क्रामतीश्वर गृहीत्वैतानि संयाति वयुर्गन्धनिवासयात् श्रोतं चक्षु स्पर्शनं च रसनं घ्राणम् एव च अधिष्ठया मनश्चायं विषयम् उपास्वते उत्क्रमन्तं स्थितं वापि भुञ्जनं बहुनन्वितं विमुढननु पश्यन्ति न चक्षुष
Very good, beta. Anishka. Very nice. Okay, kids. So because it is 8 o'clock, we need to start it now. The kids who had raised their hand and haven't received the chance today, I request Nishit, Ajju and Neerav, beta, I will take your recitation tomorrow. Okay. Mahi, practice nicely. Once you are done practicing nicely, then I will let you speak now. Vishaka Sakhi, next time, beta. Tomorrow you can join in early. I will give you a chance. Okay, beta? All right. Okay, kids. So here we start up with our 13th verse. Okay. Are we all ready to recite the 13th verse together? So by now we have already completed the 12 verses. And after this, we are going to be starting up with the 13th verse. So these are very beautiful meaning given to us with each verse. और इसीलिए हम एक एक करके सभी श्लोकों को सीख रहे हैं. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं बेटा. Just a second. This is showing some error. Okay. Gam avishya. Everyone with me. Gam avishya cha bhutani. Cha bhutani. Gam avishya cha bhutani. Everyone recite together with me. Gam avishya cha bhutani. Gam avishya cha bhutani. Gam avishya cha bhutani. Dharayamya. Dharayamya. Aham ojasa. Dharayamya aham ojasa. Dharayamya aham ojasa. Dharayamya. Dharayamya aham ojasa. Now let's recite the first and second line. Gam avishyasya cha bhutani. Gam avishya. Avishya cha bhutani. Gam avishya cha bhutani. Dharayamya aham ojasa. Dharayamya aham ojasa. Dharayamya aham ojasa. Pushnami chaushadi sarva. Come on, try everyone. Pushnami chaushadi sarva. Pushnami chaushadi sarva. Pushnami chaushadi sarva. Pushnami chaushadi sarva. Gam avishya cha bhutani. Dharayamya aham ojasa. Pushnami chaushadi sarva. Samo shomo bhutva rasatmaka. Somo bhutva rasatmaka. Somo bhutva rasatmaka. Somo bhutva rasatmaka. Somo bhutva rasatmaka. Okay, now the entire verse last time. Gama vishya cha bhutani. Dharayamya aham ojasa. Pushnami chaushadi sarva. Somo bhutva rasatmaka. So let's move on with the translation. What does Lord say over here in this verse? Lord says that I enter into each planet. You can see Lord Vishnu is resting over here on Anant Sesh और उनके शरीर से अनगिनत planets निकल रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पर भगवान कह रहे हैं कि वो हर एक planet में enter करते. He enters into each and every planet. By my energy, planet stays in orbit. So you can see over here in the next image, all the planets are in orbit. Yes, Devik? Why? Because of whom is it in the orbit? Who is giving that strength, Devik?
Ma'am, Lord Vishnu.
Lord Vishnu is actually the expansionary form of Lord.
Lord Krishna.
Wonderful. Very good, Devik. So भगवान यहाँ पर कह रहे हैं, Lord is saying that he enters into every planet. And because of Lord's energy, भगवान की energy की वजह से, all the planets stay in orbit. Can you see these white lines? See, I'll darken these lines for you. Can you see these lines? कभी भी ऐसा होता है क्या? और नीचे गिर गया अपनी जगह से. Does this happen ever? No. Each and every planet stays in its orbit. How does it stay in its orbit? Because of my energy. Krishna is saying, because of my energy, each and every planet stays in the orbit. Orbit मतलब अपने स्थान पे, अपनी जगह पे वो रहते हैं. And then what he says, I become the moon. भगवान कह रहे हैं कि मैं moon बन जाता हूँ. क्यों? And supply all juice to life to vegetables. जितने भी आपके fruits होते हैं, juices होते हैं, vegetables होते हैं, जिसमें juice होता है, so वो juice किससे आता है? कृष्ण से. माता जी, what is the link over here? So बेटा रात को अनाज, grains जो होते हैं, they are in the field. All the grains are in the field. Yes. And in the moonlight, they get the special energy, special juices. And who's that special moonlight? It is none other than, everybody unmute and say, it is none other than Lord Wonderful, my kids. So it is Krishna over here who is the one who's giving us this energy. And that is, he says, मैं moon बन जाता हूँ, I become the moon and supply all the juices to the life of the vegetables. Now moving on, my kids. Okay, before we move on to the next verse, I'm going to randomly pick up one or two students. Rasika, what did you understand from this verse?
I didn't understand anything from this.
See, the verse says that, what does the verse say? The verse says very simple understanding, my dear child. Krishna says that I become the moon. What does Krishna become?
Moon, Mataji.
Very good. And then he gives the juices to whom? To the vegetables. What does he give everyone? Juices to the unmute everyone and Very good. So basically, Krishna is trying to say here that every taste which comes, it comes because of me. That is only and only because of Lord Krishna. Jia, understand? Did you understand, Jia?
Yes, Mataji.
Please explain your understanding. आपको क्या समझा है? Explain कीजिए बेटा.
दीदी इसमें ये बोला है कि भगवान से मतलब भगवान के आजू बाजू ही एक मतलब प्लैनेट्स है और वो उनकी ही एनर्जी से ऑर्बिट में है.
Very good.
और वो रात को मून बन के वेजिटेबल्स में
Okay, yes, good beta. Very nice. All right, my kids, let's move on ahead to the next verse now. So now by this, we are moving on to the 15th chapter, 14th verse. So let's start with the first line. Everyone with me? Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Aham Veshvanaro Bhutva. Aham Veshvanaro Bhutva. Aham Veshvanaro Bhutva. Praninam, Praninam, Praninam. Deham, Deham. Ashrita, Ashrita, Ashrita. Praninam deham ashrita. Praninam deham ashrita. Praninam deham ashrita. Aham Veshvanaro Bhutva. Praninam deham ashrita. Come on, everyone, try with me. Aham Veshvanaro Bhutva. Praninam deham ashrita. Okay? Rasika, pay attention. Devik, are you reciting? Aham Veshvanaro Bhutva. Praninam deham ashrita. Next one. Pranapana Samayukta. Pranapana Samayukta. Speak up, everyone should speak up. Vishakha, pay attention. Very good, Bhumi and Krisha. Wonderful. Mahi is not paying attention. She is not reciting. Pranapana Samayukta. Pranapana Samayukta. Very good, Athira, Jia and Virat. Pranapana Samayukta. Very, very nice explanation. Please pay attention. Pachamya, Pachamya. हम कहते हैं ना पच गया खाना, खाना पच गया क्या, मतलब डाइजेस्ट हो गया क्या, वही है ये. Pachamya. Annam, Annam. Chaturvidham, Chaturvidham, Chaturvidham. Okay, let's try again. Everybody together with me. Very beautiful understanding of this verse. We will just see after we learn writing the verse. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Aham Veshvanaro Bhutva. Praninam deham ashrita. Pranapana samayukta. Pachamya anna chaturvidham. Aham Veshvanaro Bhutva. Praninam adeham Praninam deham ashrita. Pranapana samayukta. Pachamya anna chaturvidham. Okay, once again, one last time, everybody with me. Okay, or just a second. All right, my kids. Chalo. Aham Veshvanaro Bhutva. Praninam deham ashrita. Pranapana samayukta. Pachamya annam chaturvidham. Come on, say it with me, everyone. Try speaking up with me. Everybody should try. You all can do it. Yes, everybody should try with me. Keep trying, keep practicing. अहं वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनां देहमाश्रिता प्राणपना समायुक्ता पचाम्यन्नं चतुर्विधाम्. Okay, so it's time to understand the meaning of the words. Can you see this image? Can you all see this image? Now I'm going to randomly unmute one of the child and ask the child to explain what is the meaning of this verse or what is the meaning of this image. Unmute yourself.
Hari Bol. This
Hari.
is Vyas and Hemangi. My daughter Hemangi is trying to say.
Okay, Mat.
बोलो. अहं वैश्वानरो भूत्वा
देहमाश्रिता
प्राणापानसमायुक्तः बोलो प्राणापानसमायुक्तः पचाम्य अन्नं चतुर्विधम्.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Thank you, Imangi. Hari Bol.
Say Hari Bol. Thank you, Madi. Say thank you very much, Ma Sundari.
Hari Bol, Mataji. Chalo, let's start. So let's start it, my dear kids. I was asking you people the meaning of this image. I want to know what is your understanding of this image. क्या दिख रहा है आपको इस फोटो में? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just. Anybody would like to unmute and tell? Okay. Roshni. Oh, sorry. Rishabh, unmute.
Quiet time.
Okay. All right. यशवी, आपको क्या दिखा?
माता जी, इस इमेज में कृष्ण भगवान अर्जुन जी को कुछ बोल रहे हैं और फायर ऐसा कुछ है.
क्या है? अदिति.
हरे कृष्णा माता जी. माता जी, वो उसमें दिख रहा है कि वो पेट के अंदर आग है और उसमें भगवान है.
Very good. Now see everyone, pay attention. Watch it nicely. You will see that this is a person. उस व्यक्ति का पेट है ये. उस पेट के अंदर कृष्ण है. So there is this person who is standing. In this person's stomach, there is Krishna. Why Krishna is there in the stomach? Because this verse means I am the fire of digestion. So आप सबके पेटू के अंदर एक अग्नि होती है और वो अग्नि काई की होती है? जो आपकी फूड को डाइजेस्ट करती है. आपका खाना जो होता है ना वो डाइजेस्ट हो जाता है अच्छे से. आपने पनीर खाया है, नान खाया है, वाओ बहुत अच्छा सा पिज्जा खाया है, सब कुछ अंदर जाके डाइजेस्ट हो जाता है. कौन करता है ये? फायर. इसे जठर अग्नि भी कहा जाता है. सो कृष्णा सेज आई एम द फायर ऑफ डाइजेशन. आपके पेट में जो अग्नि है जो आपके फूड को डाइजेस्ट करती है, आई एम दैट फायर इन द बॉडीज ऑफ ऑल लिविंग एंटिटीज. जितनी भी जीवात्मा है, यहाँ तो ह्यूमन बॉडी बताया है, बट सिर्फ ह्यूमन बॉडी ही नहीं, विश्व के जितने भी लिविंग एंटिटीज है सभी के पेट में जो फायर है उसको कौन है? श्री कृष्णा. एंड व्हाट डज ही डू? I join with the air of life. जिसे लाइफ एयर कहते हैं ना, टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ. सब लोग सांस लेके बताओ आपको सांस है या नहीं. डू यू हैव लाइफ ब्रेथ? टेक अ लाइफ ब्रेथ. ब्रीथ एवरीवन. आपने ये जो सांस ली वो क्या थी? नॉर्मल ब्रीथिंग, ठीक है. बट देयर इज लाइफ ब्रेथ जिसकी वजह से आप जी रहे हो. So he says, I join with the air of life, outgoing and incoming. Come on, everybody is going to do the exercise with me. Let's see how does the breathe go out and come in. 1, 2, 3. Take in. Everybody should breathe in. 1, 2, 3. And out. Incoming. Take it in. And out. Again, take the breath in. And out. So, what is this incoming and outgoing? Krishna. Krishna is saying, what is Krishna saying? He is giving such a beautiful explanation. I join with the air of life. हम ये जो सांस ले रहे हैं, incoming and outgoing. बाहर सांस छोड़ते हैं, अंदर लेते हैं. We breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. This is actually who Krishna joins in with it. And to digest the 4 kinds of food stuff. आप लोग 4 प्रकार का खाना खाते हो. What is the 4 kind of food stuff? Mataji, what kind of food stuff? Oh, pizza, oh, pastries, and then some chocolates, and some hidden favorite dishes also. No. 4 kind of food stuffs that you digest is what? First one, some you drink, some are drunk. जैसे कि juices देखो, कुछ ऐसे food stuffs होते हैं जिसको हम drink कर लेते हैं. We drink those. Some are chewed. जैसे कि pineapple है, you chew it. Or else you talk about lettuce, or you talk about spinach. You chew it. आप चबाते हो उसको. Some are licked up. Tasty, like mango. You get an Alfonso mangoes, you lick it and eat it. Yes or no? And then you enjoy with your hand also. Wow, such a yummy mango. And some are sucked. Some food are there which are sucked up, which are just eaten up and enjoyed. So these are the 4 kind of foodstuffs that Krishna helps us to digest. मतलब माता जी, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हमारे पेट में जो भी खाना डाइजेस्ट हो रहा है, वो डाइजेशन भी कृष्णा कर रहे हैं क्या? यस. ये जो फूड आपके पेटों में डाइजेस्ट हो रहा है, वो भी कौन कर रहा है? कृष्णा. Did you understand, everyone? Are you getting the essence of it? Vishaka Sakhi, what did you understand?
I understand that Krishna is in our stomach, and it helps digesting.
Okay, Krishna is helping us in digesting. So there is a question of the child. She is asking, Mataji, but fire kyun kaha hai? Because he is trying to say, we are talking about the body in the previous verses that we have seen. So he is saying, the moon and the sun get the energy from me. Yes, yesterday we saw that. And today he is trying to say, why does the moon and sun? This you say that this moon and sun gets the energy from me. This moon and sun gives the energy to the food grains. अनाज को energy किससे आता है? उर्वी बताओ.
कृष्णा.
कृष्णा. नीरव, उर्वी ने सही कहा है क्या?
माता जी.
हाँ.
हाँ, उर्वी ने सही कहा है.
Very good, Neerav. Yes, Vishaka, what are you saying?
I'm saying that Krishna is everything.
Oh, Krishna is everything. Vishaka is saying Krishna is everything. Yes, Mahi.
Yes, ma'am. That I fire of this becoming of all living beings, the body, situate, outgoing and incoming breathe, keeping in the balance and
Wow, you have already learned it. Very good, Mahi. Very nice, beta. Yes, Rasika, what happened, beta?
I learned that Krishna is our belly, he digests everything.
Very good, Rasika. So Krishna is there in our belly in the form of the fire, and he helps us digest. So Harshita, did you understand beta why Krishna is saying I am the fire? Because he's trying to link that he said yesterday, the moon and the sun gets the energy from me. So today in the 13th verse, he started saying that I become the moon and give the juices to the vegetables. And then he's saying after vegetables, they go in your stomach. But that stomach digestion power also, who gets it? I give it. So basically, we understand that everything is linked with Krishna only, nobody else. All right. Okay. So let's begin with the distribution task. And then we'll have a dance today. Do you want to dance, everyone, today? Yes? Okay. So turn on your cameras. Who would like to recite the 13th verse? Who has not got a chance yet? Who has not got a chance yet? Vishaka, you didn't get a chance? Okay, so you can recite 13th verse. Lakshit, you will be coming every day.
Okay, Mataji.
So I'll give you the chance to recite the English translation of 13th verse.
Okay, Mataji.
Harshita? Vishaka Saki will be reciting 13th verse, Sanskrit. Unmute, beta, unmute.
हाँ माता जी, विशाखा को चांस मिल चुका है, कल ही मिला था.
विशाखा, कल आपको दे दिया गया है बेटा. Just repeat it for her, beta.
Gama Vishya Chabut.
No, Vishaka. No, beta. I didn't see you. Harshita. Okay, she has left the meeting, I believe. Devamrit. Devamrit. Unmute.
Yes, Mataji.
You will be reciting a verse, Devamrit. Unmute. Turn on your camera. Yes or no?
I don't know the shloka. I don't know.
I will tell you which shloka. Do you want to say?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
माता जी,
हाँ.
बिफोर दैट माता जी, मैंने कल बैठकर लिस्ट को रीचेक किया था, तो आई केम अक्रॉस कि सौम्या और शौर्य को 2-2 चांस मिल चुका है. तो मुझे कंफ्यूजन है कि क्लास में 2 सौम्या है क्या?
We'll discuss about it later on, बेटा. पहले इनका फिनिश करते हैं.
Okay.
ठीक है? आराध्या, आपको चांस नहीं मिला है ना? ठीक है. तो आप डिसाइड करो. ठीक है? आराध्या ओके? आराध्या का नाम लिख लो. राधा, English translation.
Yes, okay, Mataji. Of 13th slok, no?
हाँ.
Okay, Mataji.
Who would like to say the Hindi? Okay, Devik, I'll give you beta. Roshni.
दीदी हाँ
यस माता जी।
ओ सॉरी, रोशनी। अरे यार,
हाँ मिस।
आपको बोलना है 13th वर्स का हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन, ठीक है? 27th।
ठीक है।
आयुष,
हाँ माता जी।
आप 13th वर्स का अपने ओन वर्ड्स में मीनिंग एक्सप्लेन करोगे।
यस माता जी। माता जी
ठीक है,
मेरे को पहले चांस मिल।
पता है मुझे। हर्षिता, राइट डाउन आयुष नेम।
माता जी आयुष का नाम आ चुका है एक बार।
आई नो, गिव इट।
ओके ओके।
ओके, yes Yashika, you are saying something.
Yes, Mataji.
हाँ बेटा बोलिए।
Mataji, I was just raising my hand for the second chance.
Okay, I couldn't understand beta. Your volume was too low. Arnav. Okay. Devik, you will be reciting the 14th verse.
Okay मैम।
ठीक है, संस्कृत। हर्षिता, संस्कृत वर्स बाय देविक।
ओके माता जी।
Arnav, can you say the English translation?
No ma'am।
Hindi translation?
I can recite the shlokas.
You can't say the Hindi or English translation?
No ma'am।
क्यों no?
I can say only Marathi translation.
Okay, this verse you say in Marathi. Marathi translation. ठीक है?
Okay ma'am। 13 श्लोक ना?
14.
Okay।
ठीक है हर्षिता?
हाँ माता जी।
All right. Yashvi?
Yes माता जी।
You can say the English translation.
Yes माता जी।
Have you received a chance before?
No।
Okay. Write down Yashvi's name, Harshita.
माता जी which श्लोका?
14.
Okay।
14th verse, English translation.
Okay।
ठीक है? देवामृत?
Yes, Mataji.
You will explain 14th verse in your own words. आपको अपनी भाषा में बताना है आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्या है. What have you understood from that?
Mataji, I cannot hear. My brother is crying.
Now can you hear me?
Yes.
I'm saying, Pita, you have to tell the meaning of 14th verse, okay, in your own words.
Ma'am, I don't know.
ठीक है, चलो.
माता जी 13th का कौन बोलेगा? ओन वर्ड्स में नहीं दिया शायद आपने.
13th का आयुष बोल रहा है ना. आयुष को क्या दिया है?
ओके. आयुष को पहले मिला है 6th वर्स रिसाइट.
हाँ मैंने बोला ना वापस से लिखो उसका नाम.
माता जी.
हाँ.
मेरे को 13 वाला बोलना है अपने वर्ड्स पे। 27 को बोलना है।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
ठीक है।
एंड उर्वी को दो। कौन सा बचा है अभी?
14th वर्ड्स का ओन वर्ड्स में एक्सप्लेनेशन।
उर्वी यू विल एक्सप्लेन।
उर्वी को भी एक बार चांस मिला है।
हाँ हाँ ठीक है। उर्वी को दो आप बेटा। उर्वी विल बी रिसाइटिंग, एक्सप्लेनिंग इट इन सेकंड, एक्सप्लेनिंग द 14th verse.
Okay.
In your own words, okay? Whatever is your understanding. Urvi.
Okay, Mataji.
So Harshita, now very important thing I have to do is we have to do together. I can see many students जिनका नाम लिखा था उन्होंने आना क्लास में बंद कर दिया है या वो लोग रेगुलर नहीं है।
हाँ,
So tomorrow itself, beta, I want you all, you to send me the final list. जो मैंने आपको कहा था बेटा टाइप करके रहेगा।
हाँ माता जी, उसी से रिगार्डिंग मुझे आपको एक चीज बोलनी थी।
अगर बच्चे रिपीट हो रहे हैं इट्स ओके। सौम्या इज रेगुलर। देयर आर 2-3 स्टूडेंट्स हु आर रेगुलर।
तो माता जी क्लास में देयर आर 2 सौम्यास, तो सेम ही सौम्या को मिला है कि दूसरी सौम्या को मिला है ये? क्योंकि एक सौम्या लीलाधर है वो आज शायद नहीं आई
सौम्याओं को मिला है। देयर आर 2 डिफरेंट सौम्यास।
हाँ तो दो या ओके माता जी।
सौम्या तिवारी, आपको कौन सा वाला वर्स दिया था बेटा?
टीचर 9th वर्स का इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन दिया था।
हर्षिता तिवारी।
हाँ हाँ माता जी हाँ। और सेम प्रॉब्लम शौर्य के साथ भी है, ऐसे 2 शौर्य हैं शायद।
शौर्य आपको कौन सा दिया है? शौर्य अनम्यूट। He is not unmuted. Yes, Devik, please speak up.
Ma'am, the thing which I had to do, is it the 14th paragraph?
Please be loud, beta.
Ma'am, the thing which you told me to do, the shloka, is it the 14th paragraph of the Pandai Modhyay?
15th chapter, 14th verse, beta. Sanskrit verse.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, another thing. Do I have to do it in the English translation, Hindi translation?
No, beta, you don't have to do that, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, beta. Harshita, so if the students are not available, so all the students who are there regular, we will start giving them the second chance. We will strike off the name of the kids who are not being regular and we'll start giving the kids the second chance.
तो माता जी ये शौर्य का क्या करूं, ये रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहा था।
उसको आप क्वेश्चन मार्क डाल के रखो दोनों शौर्य।
हाँ ठीक है माता जी।
ठीक है चलो ओके। Thank you very much my dear kids. And if there are kids who want still a chance, don't worry, tomorrow probably many of the kids will be starting to get the second chance. All right, so now we'll be doing swap. जिनको already संस्कृत मिला है वो लोग translation बोलेंगे और जिनको already translation मिला है वो संस्कृत बोलेंगे। All right, okay, I will decide, don't worry. Take care everyone. Oh, we had to dance. You want to dance?
माता जी।
हाँ बेटा।
माता जी आप अमोघ लीला प्रभु जी से कभी मिले हो? मैं आज उनके लेक्चर सुन रही थी, मुझे बहुत पसंद आते हैं।
Wow, Shuvraj. Wonderful. Unmute yourself and continue. Oh, we have another baby. Okay, kids. Chalo. By this, we'll end our session for the day. Take care, everyone. Bye bye. Hare Krishna. Krishna night.